Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel, where we love to share our adventures with you. Today, we're taking you to a beautiful beach day in Jamaica, specifically at Porto Seco, one of the island's finest beaches. Porto Seco is a stunning white sand beach, and it was the perfect setting for our day of fun and relaxation. We started off by enjoying some delicious jerk chicken, festival, and, of course, a refreshing red stripe beer. The beach was just as amazing as we had hoped, and we had a blast